This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock in a Honda Jazz. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked, with either the engine running or in the accessory mode. Now, look for the display audio system screen on your dashboard. From this main screen, you will need to access the system settings. This initial step is crucial for finding the correct menu to adjust the time. Simply tap the home icon, usually located in the top left corner, to reveal your main options. Once on the main menu, please tap on the settings icon, which often looks like a gear or cog. This action will open a new list of system preferences and options. From this expanded list, carefully select the clock option. You might need to scroll down a little to find it. This step brings you directly to the time adjustment screen, where you will see the current time and available controls for modification. On the clock adjustment screen, you will see a time field. Tap on this, and it should highlight or bring up separate controls for hours and minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons, typically displayed on the screen next to the numbers, to adjust the hour. Each tap will change the time by 1 hour, so continue until you reach the correct hour. Then, repeat this exact process for the minutes, carefully setting them to your desired, accurate local time. After adjusting both the hour and the minute, take a moment to double-check that the time displayed is exactly what you intend. Accuracy here is key, so glance over the numbers one last time. Once you are satisfied with your selection, look for an OK or Set button on the screen and tap it firmly. This action will confirm your changes and instruct the vehicle system to save the newly set time, which should then immediately update on your dashboard display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.